begin with the feet shoulder distance apart. Inhale through the nose and exhale out through the mouth. Inhale, the arms lift, palms face down. Then exhale, rotate to the side, flipping the palms up and moving from the hips and the waist as you shift from side to side. Inhale to the center and exhale, twist, breathing in through the nose and exhaling out through the mouth. On the exhale, visualize yourself tossing a ball of dark smoke from the center of your palms, clearing out any stagnation, toxicity, or negativity from the physical, mental, or emotional body. Sense that the smoke is being transmuted and transformed by the earth. And on the inhale, feeling your body with pure light, feeling your body become lighter and lighter as the smoke too becomes lighter with each toss. Begin to transition back to the center, still moving your body while allowing yourself to completely let go, letting go of any stress and tension, shaking off any worries from the past or anxiety about the future, and breathing out any emotions not serving you in this moment. For these next few breaths, we'll be inhaling through the nose and exhaling out through the mouth with the following sounds. Breathe in and exhale. Inhale 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 and exhale. We'll repeat that last one silently in your mind on the next exhale. Now bring the body to a place of stillness and notice how you feel. On the inhale, float the arms up, and on the exhale, flip the palms and lower the arms back down while bending into the knees only to the extent of your comfort. Continue this motion as you sync your breath with your movements. Again, inhale, the arms lift up, and exhale, the arms lower back down. As the fingertips graze the ground, imagine as if you're pulling up nourishment from the earth into the arms and legs, and exhaling out any toxins through the breath and out through the palms. Relax the shoulders and the jaw, and feel this starting to calm down the nervous system. On the next inhale, lift the arms up and keep the legs straight, and exhale, lower the palms back down towards the sides. On the next inhale, gently lift the arms out towards the sides, and exhale, draw the palms towards one another. Again, inhale to open and expand, then exhale, coming back to your center. Feel the lungs expand as you open, taking in fresh oxygen and filling your body with this life force. Sense into your arms as an extension of your heart, shining your heart as you open, then returning to your center to cultivate your love from within. Exhale, return to your center, and inhale to open. On the next exhalation, we'll draw the feet in and bring the palms together to touch at your heart center. Take a moment to pause here and notice how you feel. Sending you love from my heart to yours. Namaste.